Hi, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont, and the question I have for you is, can you fit 100 of your friends and family on your sky terrace? Well, if the answer is no, then I have the property for you. Here we are at Penthouse 143 in the Aria development in Swanbourne. It is the largest of the penthouses in this whole complex. The size, 457 square meters. Internal living is 247 square meters. It is double story. It's like having an enormous house, but you're in this beautiful resort style complex. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough today so you can see all of the features that this beautiful property has to offer. So here we are on the second level. We're facing directly east. Obviously you have unobstructed, stunning views of the city, downtown Perth. You can actually see over to Subiaco here to the north. Right over here, you've got the Claremont Showgrounds and wraps around to Claremont and then the river down on that side. If we come right around here, I'm going to point out that you have your own exclusive use hot tub that is only accessible through the apartment, only accessible for you and your guests, so that is for private use. And when we come around here, directly north facing, you've got a beautiful view of the tee at Cottesloe Golf Course. And just directly west, if you can see right through the trees, you've got ocean glimpses of the beautiful sparkling Indian Ocean. And today's such a clear day, you can actually see Rottnest Island. And we'll come here through the pool safety gate, an excellent and very important feature, especially if you have kids, as I do. Always want to take care of those kiddies and their safety. Here we have the outdoor dining area with outdoor kitchen, small refrigerator, sink, lots of storage for cutlery and anything you want to keep up here, and then your outdoor gas barbecue. Okay, and we'll come right around here to this side of the patio. Notice how green it is up here. What is really an awesome feature and a value add that one of the previous owners input into the property is this smart retic system that runs alongside here. So if you're someone who's a bit of a green thumb, but you don't want all of the work that would come with having, a big yard and lots of yard work, you're going to be able to keep this place green all year round. You're going to be able to keep it reticked and watered, so you can have all of the fun of having, a little bit of a yard, herb garden, lots of greenery around without all of the work it takes to maintain a beautifully manicured garden. And once we step inside, what you have up here is some really flexible area. You've got an area here for an office, but then here's your second living space upstairs, which can be converted into, let's say, a guest suite. If they wanted to come stay for a few nights or a few months, I would probably want to stay here as long as I could. Or even that second living space, if you've got teenage kids, they want somewhere to go, so you have the separate one downstairs. There's so many different uses for the space here, and obviously it flows out here as well into the outdoor dining area. All right, now let's head downstairs. Once we come into the kitchen, you'll see this beautiful cascading stone benchtop with double sink. Here we've got pantry and also with integrated Miele appliances, integrated refrigerator and freezer. How clean and sleek that looks. Miele induction cooktop. We've also got, here we are, let me turn around. Microwave, integrated oven, integrated espresso maker, integrated steam oven, all by Miele. Beautiful and very quality appliances. When we come around here to this is what you would probably call formal dining area. Here, this is all integrated into, well, lots of storage. Beautiful storage here as well. Make sure that closes. There we go. And we also have a living area just off of the kitchen and dining area. So this is where the heart of the house is. So you'll spend an enormous amount of time right here. Also directly east facing, so you've got those unobstructed views of the city of Perth. And also downstairs is a smaller outdoor patio, maybe for having a nice martini in the late afternoon for a sundowner, or a coffee first thing in the morning. Obviously in the morning, because we're east facing, you're gonna have gorgeous first light of day sun coming through, which is great. And if you come right around here, you'll see we're looking right over the playing fields. Very elevated up here, wraparound views. Greenery and bushland, beautiful vista right across. Okay, and now we'll go into the master bedroom. Okay, from the master bedroom, you also have access out onto a balcony as well. Again, we've got the privacy screens, which are very consistent with the whole of Aria. They're beautiful. I think they're really stunning. But those can also be retracted and moved if you want to actually just have those unobstructed views of the city. Coming through the walk-in wardrobe into the ensuite, beautiful ensuite. You're going to want to spend a lot of time in here. You've obviously got your toilet, shower, very deep bathtub, double sinks here. I think this is a fantastic retreat. Okay. And now we will look at the other bedrooms. So the second bedroom here, north facing, also has access to a small balcony right off the bedroom. There are views of the Cottesloe Golf Course. If we come through here, small powder room, you've got your second full bathroom as well. Linen cupboard. Okay. And then your third bedroom right over here, if you'll step in and grab a view of that. And when you come around, you'll see laundry room. Okay, and now we're here at the entry foyer. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to go downstairs. There are 4 elevators in Aria. Aria is shaped like a giant C with the back of the C facing west, and on each arm there's an elevator. And so the elevator is right next to this apartment, and we're going to take that down to see the double lockup garage. Okay, I got the door for you. Okay, here we are at 143. Let's take the elevator down. Key fob down to the B2 level. So there are 2 levels of parking. There are 17 visitor bays in Aria, so you have plenty of room for having guests that want to come stay overnight. Now that we're in an elevator, I should probably tell you some kid jokes, dad jokes rather. So what do you call a fish that wears a tie? Sophisticated. My daughter loves that one. Oh, and here we are. I thought I'd be able to squeeze out a few more jokes, but I guess not. Okay, let me just turn this way. Security is very important here at Aria, so that is locked here. Let's go this way. And if we come right around here, you'll see the double lockup garage that also has a roller shutter. It's also quite high, so you can get a big SUV in here if that's the kind of car you've got. And just on the other side, there is also a lockup storage, 4 square meters. Now I'm going to show you the common areas of the Aria development. Let's whip around this way. This is the very beautiful entry lobby. The brief at Aria is to create resort-style amenity and feeling. It feels like you've gone overseas to somewhere absolutely beautiful to just rest and relax. And you'll see beautifully manicured gardens. Nighttime, it is lit absolutely in the most stunning way. I love these frangipanis too. They're so gorgeous. If you just poke your head in this way, you're going to see that on the right-hand side there is a yoga studio. Which can be booked out through an online portal for Aria called the Aria Hub. There's also 2 massage therapy rooms. Over here we have a gourmet kitchen and also barbecue area. These can be reserved for residents at no cost, just first come, first serve through the Aria hub. I want you to have a look at this east-facing infinity pool. It's an absolutely stunning place just to let your hair down, relax, swim, get a bit of sun. And here we are at a second barbecue area. Small fridge as well as barbecue. Just a great place. I see a lot of residents here on Saturdays to come down with the kids or with friends and, you know, cook up some delicious barbecue chicken. All right, now, and here we have the gym. The gym is open 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Climate controlled. You've got some good equipment. And come on through here. In through here, we have steam room and sauna. And then also there is a wine cellar for residents' use. Here we are in the mailroom. This is where you will collect your mail, but one of the hidden gems at Aria that I wanted to show you is the cool room. It's a commercial refrigerator, so if you have deliveries, let's say from HelloFresh or Kohl's or Woolies, you don't have to be here at a specific time to meet them. They can actually enter through the mailroom door and then have them delivered here into the cool room. Thank you so much for walking through this beautiful Penthouse 143 with me. I absolutely love this property. I love this development. Swanbourne is one of the most beautiful coastal suburbs in Perth. To remind you, this property is double story. The total strata is 457 square meters. Internal strata is 240, double lockup garage. There's just so much space. The lifestyle here just can't be beat. So if you would like to have some more information, you want to book a private viewing with me, please give me a call. My name is Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White, Dalkeith, Claremont. My mobile is 0416-657-300, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.